welcome to my guided screen protector installation guide. Now, first things first, you want to make sure you wash and dry your hands thoroughly, and you want to make sure you turn off all air. Then you want to neatly and precisely lay out all of your materials. All right? So you can see here I have my microfiber cleaning cloth, I have my case, and then I have these screen protectors themselves. And then I just laid out the wet and dry wipes appropriately. Then after you laid everything out and you washed your hands correctly, the next thing you want to do is you just want to take out your wet and your dry wipes after you make sure your hands are completely dry. All right. Then you want to take your microfiber cleaning cloth and wipe down your display thoroughly, making sure that you get rid of all extra dust and hair particles. My bad, y'all. Then after that, you just want to place your device down on a flat level surface, and we're going to wipe it down first with the wet wipe. Okay. You just want to open the wet wipe up and you want to thoroughly wipe it from top to bottom, left to right, in as thorough a pattern as you can, making sure that as you're doing this, you don't drop any excess hair particles on the screen and you don't rest your overlapping hand on the screen. Okay, so you want to neatly and thoroughly wipe the screen, making sure that you remove all the excess dust and hair particles. All right, take your time, it's very important. Then after you do that, you want to do the same thing with your dry wipe. Okay, so again, you just want to wipe it down thoroughly, making sure that you get up all the excess hair and dust particles. All right, and you also want to make sure that you don't accidentally drop any other hair or dust particles on the device. So we're just going to thoroughly dry it down, very similar to how we wiped it down with the wet wipe. Okay, and again, you want to go very slowly and you want to be very meticulous because we don't want to get any hair or any other dust particles underneath the screen protector after installation. Then, once that's done, you want to take your screen protector out and you want to inspect it for quality. Then you want to peel off the rear protective film. Okay. And then after you do that, you want to position your device in a way so you can easily line up the edges of the screen protector with the edges of your device. And you also want to make sure you line up all the necessary cutouts. All right. And you want to take your time when you do this, because again, we want to make sure everything is lined up appropriately. Once you feel like everything is lined up appropriately, you just want to go ahead and make sure you drop it down. And then you want to press the corners first. All right. Press all the corners first. And then you just want to firmly press down the center and make sure everything is thoroughly in place. Okay. Just like that, and your screen protector is now installed. Really good stuff there. Okay, so as you can see, screen protector is now installed. Then real quickly, we just want to hit the back with one more wipe down because we're going to go ahead and throw the case on during this video. So we're going to wipe down the back. We're going to wipe down the camera lenses. Again, making sure there's no excess dust or hair particles. All right. So we're going to go ahead and drop the case on now, and we are good to go. All right, give me a second. Let me throw this case on. Wham, bam, thank you, ma'am. All right, so this has been a screen protector installation guide. I hope everyone enjoyed it. Now let's move on to the next part of the video. See y'all in a second. Let's go. All right, so I hope everyone enjoyed that. Real quick. Packaging presentation, real quick unboxing, and real quick installation guide of the Olixar case and a set of 3-pack screen protectors from a company I cannot pronounce. I'll have their name thrown up in post. But I also showed y'all the pricing for this as well. So now I'm just coming back with my first impressions. First of all, before we get into the first impressions, I just want to thank everybody again for continuing to use those affiliate links that I have down in the descriptions of almost all of my videos.
because it's through that affiliate link that I was able to purchase this set of products here for as cheap as I did. So I don't know if y'all saw it. I'll have the screenshot up again in post. But I actually was able to get a what was it, an $18 gift card. So this package altogether came up to almost $20. But based on that gift card discount, when I was fully done, it only cost me out of pocket like $1.41. So thank you so much for your continued support and your continued support using those affiliate links. Y'all just don't know how much I appreciate it. Alright, I really appreciate that. But getting into the first impressions with this screen protector and this case, I have to say, first off, y'all know what I'm about to say on this if you checked out any of my other unboxings and first impressions of cases. In terms of the screen protector installation, it was extremely easy. And praise the Lord that we actually got a pair of wet and dry wipes that was actually as advertised. So the wet wipe was really wet. That's how it needs to be. And the dry wipe was super dry. Good stuff. Y'all don't know how many times I buy products like this and the wet wipe is dry as a biscuit, man. You better put some gravy on there. Dry as a biscuit out here. So I was very happy to see that it was actually a wet and a dry wipe. Alright, so good stuff there. And I gotta tell y'all, overall, the packaging and presentation on both of these products was really, really good. And one thing that I want to point out is that the case itself does indeed come with 2-year warranty. Oh, Lord. I wiped it down before the video, and as I pick it up, I'm getting fingerprints everywhere, but the device is fully protected, and that's all I care about. So, really good stuff there in my overall opinion. And let me just show y'all, in terms of responsiveness, everything is still super responsive. So the screen is still nice and responsive, even with the screen protector on it. And now we got full protection here. So really, really good in my overall opinion. Alright, really good stuff. Now, as I always do, I like to use these things for a good amount of time, at least 1 to 2 weeks before I come back with my full review on them. But first impressions of the screen protector from the company whose name I can't pronounce, it's really good. It's good, really good indeed. Now, talking about the case, I have to tell y'all I really do like this case. I don't like the fact that it's a little bit fingerprinty, but it does provide maximum protection. And you can see we do have a nice raised lip, and it does work with the screen protector, no problem. So if I want to put it face down, now I can truly put the device face down and not have to worry. So I'm happy for that. And in terms of the camera bump, and oh Lord, I couldn't wait to get this case because that camera bump was outrageous. And every time I put the device down, I just felt like I was making contact with nothing but the camera bump. So in terms of the camera bump, you can see we do have a nice raised cutout that does get rid of that camera bump. So really good cutouts here. I like that. And now I don't have to worry if I put the device flat down on the back, we're making contact with the case and not the cameras. So I really like that as well. Good stuff there. And then we have all of our appropriate cutouts as well. So flipping it to the top, got cutouts for our 3.5 millimeter headphone jack and one of our microphones there. Good stuff there. Flipping it to the bottom, we got cutouts for our other microphone and our USB Type-C charging port. So good stuff there as well. Flipping it this way, we do have a cutout for our power button / fingerprint sensor, and then everything else is fully protected. So you can see the volume rockers are fully protected here, and the camera switch, our camera button, is fully protected as well, and everything works no problem. So it's super tactile, super clicky, and it works as if I don't have a case on the device. So let me show you real quick. Fingerprint sensor working, no problem. Okay, push it again. Works, no problem. Alright? Good stuff there. Good stuff indeed. I gotta say, I can't complain. I can't complain at all. So first impressions of this case and screen protector combo for the Sony Xperia 1 Mark II is really good. It's really good indeed. Now, as I always do, I'll have a full review for the case, and I'll have a full review for the screen protector separate, if I could talk. Sorry, y'all. But that pretty much does it for this one. As always, I hope you guys and gals do enjoy the video. If you do enjoy the video, please help your boy out by giving the video a thumbs up. That really does help me out. You don't know how much. Also, if you would like to see more content like this, please feel free to hit that subscribe button down below and make sure you click off the notification bell icon right next to it so you guys and gals get notified when I publish new videos. That being said, as always, if this video piqued your interest, all the links to where you guys and gals can pick up this case and screen protector combo for your Sony Xperia 1 Mark II will be available and linked up down below in the video description. So as always, if your interest is piqued, down below in the video description should be a one-stop shop for you guys and gals, and you should be good to go. Recording this whole video here today, I did use the rear-facing primary camera on the Samsung Galaxy S7 Active, and this was recorded in 720p at 30 FPS with no external microphone hooked up. So please let me know what you think of the overall video quality as well as what you think of the overall audio quality down below in the comments. As always, all feedback is greatly appreciated. Just keep it respectful, please. Alright? As always, I hope everyone is having a great day. I hope everyone is staying safe out there. And I will catch you guys and gals in my next video. We are out of here. Peace, everybody.